Today we learn alphabet. Let's start today's class. A. A for apple. A for ant. B. B for baby. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for candy. D. D for dog. D for diamond. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fan. G. G for grapes. G for goat. H. H for hen. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice. J. J for juice. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. L for lion. M. M for mango. M for man. N. N for nest. N for nose. O. O for orange. O for oval. P. P for parrot. P for potato. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rocket. S. S for sun. S for star. T. T for tiger. T for tomato. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for jeep. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel.